Most people overcomplicate digital products, and I didn't have a big audience. I didn't even know what I was doing, but I still managed to get the product up and running. I launched it on Gumroad and actually I made a few sales. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, from building the product, from the idea creation to getting it on Gumroad and getting few sales. I'll also share few tips on what I would do differently if I was starting today. The first step is ideation. What is the kind of product that you want to sell? And to answer this, ask yourself this very simple question. What is something that you already do that others might want a shortcut for? Don't try to be a guru. Don't try to be a master at whatever you're doing. Just think of a small problem that you have already solved in your life. And for me, that was consistency. For some reason, I could not stay consistent. My solution was in the form of a Notion template. That is the template that I used to track all my habits, to see the visual graph, to see the different milestones, my goals, and all of that could be set in that one Notion template. And that template is what made me consistent, and I've been consistent for months now. I haven't missed even a single day, and this truly is the transformation that I want people to go through, because to be honest, people don't buy your templates or your guides or your 2-page ebooks. They buy the transformation that comes with it. So for me, the transformation could be become consistent in 30 days. Now let's say your niche is about fitness and you're a gym enthusiast, you always go to the gym, you have a good body, and you want people to kind of go through this process on getting to the gym every single day without skipping, and your diet and all of that stuff. So you can make a transformation about get fit in 30 days or get abs in 30 days, or you could be more specific. So you could say something like lose 5 kilos in 7 days. So you give a specific deadline and a specific transformation that people go through. People love seeing numbers. So if you say something like 5 kilos in 7 days, it's going to attract a lot of people, and it's going to give a deadline. So 7 days is your deadline, and that gives a definite bracket for that product, and that's what people love. So now that I wanted to sell my Notion template, which was about consistency, I went over to Canva, I started packaging the product, I started polishing the product. So here you can see on Canva that I have made these designs. So this is like this iPad screen where I have my Notion template and it says the system OS. There's an arrow mark. It's a very minimal design. There are dotted background. I have my name at Purav Bodar. So this is a very minimalist, clean and to the point design. So as soon as I see the thumbnail, it's going to be attractive. It's going to be simple. I don't have to waste much of my brain power understanding what this image says. It's clean and simple. Also, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how I design all of this in Canva, please comment it down below. I would love to hear your inputs, and I would love to make a video that helps you. Now that I had my Notion template ready, I had built a few more bonuses that could like add on or top to the Notion template. So since the Notion template is about consistency and discipline, I made a handwritten notes on this book called The Compound Effect that talks entirely about consistency and how it actually helps. So I read the book, I made handwritten notes. So here you can see the notes that I made. Now that I have my Notion template and the bonus, I will club them together and put it on Gumroad, and I'll show you how to do that. So right now I'm on my Gumroad dashboard, I'm on my product section, and I want to create my new product. So I'm going to hit on new product, and that is going to take me to this page. So right now I'm selling a digital product. You can sell a course, tutorial, ebook, membership. So in bundles, you can basically club 2 products together and sell them as one digital product. And then there are additional services as well. So right now we are interested in digital products, and I'm going to name my product as System OS. This is something I already have, and I'm going to price it at, let's say, $12. You can also change the currency here. So right now it's in dollars. I can also keep in rupees because I'm from India, but right now I'll keep it as dollars. Then we hit next. So here we have named it the System OS, and for the description, I already have a description ready. So we have a clear transformation from chaos to clarity. Then we have why it works. So all of this is from my experience. Then we also have what you get. So we have the dashboard. We have a bonus that is a goal clarity PDF. Then I have access to my premium community, quick start videos, bonus templates, etc. Then we have who's it for section. So basically what is my target audience and who will actually benefit from this. and then we say early birds, we have access for 0, limited time, and all of that. So now that you have this ready, you can go to the URL section, you can say system OS. So you get this custom link. Then for the cover, so cover is basically in this preview section, you can see the white blank page. So that is where the cover comes in. And I have the cover file ready, which I designed on Canva. And as you can see, I have added the cover photo, and in the preview section, you can also see the preview. And then we have the thumbnail section. So by default, it takes this 600 x 600 pixel view from your banner. But if you want to customize it, you can also upload your own thumbnail as well. So make sure it's in this size and it's in this format. So as you can see, the thumbnail is uploaded. Then we hit the call to action button. So basically when you go to buy a product, you have a button saying buy now or get it now. I usually keep it as I want this. Then you can add a small summary. So I have a summary ready as well. So it says a powerful Notion dashboards plus goal summary. You can go to ChatGPT, copy the description, tell it to write a summary, and it's going to do that for you. You can add in additional details. So let's say the format of the product is a Notion template, or the size of the product, or let's say you're selling an ebook, how many pages does it have, etc. So you can add that here. I'm going to leave this empty for now. And if you have a Discord server, if you have a Circle community, or if you want to invite people to your Gumroad community chat, you can also enable these options as well. Right now I have a Discord server and I'm going to connect my Discord server to this. As you can see, my server is connected. So whenever people come and get the product, they're going to be invited to my community where they can ask me questions or chat and get to know more like-minded people. Also, if you want to join the community, the link is in the description. It's completely free. There are over 200 people who are constantly growing and building together. And if you want to talk to me, ask me questions, go head over to the link, join the community, and just surround yourself with like-minded people. Then we have the pricing. So as we said, we set it to $12. We can also allow customers to pay what they want. So the minimum amount is $12 since you set it to 12. If they want to pay more, they can do that as well. So you can suggest an amount that you want them to pay. So let's say 15 is the amount. So when they buy, it's going to say suggested amount as 15, but they can always set it to 12, which is the minimum, and they can buy it as well. Then we have the version section. So here, let's say in the Notion template, I made few changes, I made few updates, and I want to sell it again. So I can add version and I can add the name, description, additional amount, and then I can add the version as well. But right now I don't want to do that, so I'll hit on remove. Then we have few additional settings. So limit product sales. If you have a limited time product, you can set the limit to 50. So only the first 50 people can get your product. So that'll create a kind of urgency. Then we have allow customers to choose a quantity. So basically they can buy more than once, and publicly show the number of sales. So if you turn this on, everybody can see the number of sales that you have. And then we have other settings as well. Here you can also specify a refund policy. You can also set this to no refunds or 7-day, 14-day, 13-day, and 6-month. Then we have require shipping information. So basically when they buy, they have to enter the shipping information before they can actually get it. So this section is what the customers come once they buy your product. So this should be a thank you section, and you have to link your products. So here I've added something like thank you for your download. You have the goal planner here, which is the PDF. They can download it from here. Then I have a clear instruction on how they can use the Notion template and with the links. So I have one version and I have the updated version. And finally, if you enjoyed using my template, leave a 5-star and all of that. And before publishing, I want to go to the product and preview how my product looks. So I'm going to go to the preview section and hit on this button. So it's going to open a new tab, and there I can actually see the product that I'm going to sell. So this is how it looks. We have system OS, $12, we have the description, and here we have the summary. So it's perfect. We're going to go back and we're going to go to content and hit publish. So once time crosses and you get sales, you get reviews, this is how the product looks. So firstly, we have the same banner image. Then we have the system OS. I've added few more details. And then you can see I've got 3 ratings. The product is for $14. The same description. And here in the rating sections, you can see the ratings that I've got. And I have few more information like size is around 4 MB. The length is around 4 pages, and we have the price and we have the amount of sales that we got as well. I really hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. And if you want more in-depth videos on how I actually build the products using ChatGPT and how I actually make the Notion templates and the guides, you can comment it down below. I'll make a full in-depth tutorial for you. Also, if you want to know how I design on Canva, you can also comment that as well. I would love to hear your inputs. And if you want to know more about the exact funnel system that I use to get around 100 sales on the product, you can watch this video. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.